Today I'll be taking you guys through how to install Betty linter on your machine. So first of all, we will go to the GitHub repository page of Betty. So you click on this link. So what we are going to do is you click on the code button over here. Then this copy button, you click on it to copy the link to the repository page. Then in your terminal, please do not use the command line or PowerShell, because some of the commands that will be running are not supported. Some of the commands, such as the sudo command. Now back in your terminal, change directory, that's using the cd command, to the root folder. Then over here, you type the command, because we are going to clone the repository that we just copied from GitHub. So you type git clone, then you paste the link of the repository that we just copied from GitHub. Change directory to the root, that's cd root. Then since we are cloning the repository, you type git clone, then you paste the link of the repository that we just copied. Then you click on enter on your keyboard. After a successful cloning, we can now change directory into the Betty folder. So type cd Betty. Then inside the Betty folder, we can now look at or list all the files in the directory. So type ls. So you can see that over here we have various files and directories inside the Betty folder. Then the next step is install the linter with the sudo.install.sh command. So you can see that when we come to the Betty directory, we have install.sh over here. So what we are going to do is we are going to copy this command over here, then paste and hit enter.
Why do you still have so much?
Now, after a successful installing or installation of your Betty command, the next step is we should either use Emacs or VI text editor to create a new file called Betty and copy the below script that we have over here and paste it inside. So I will be using VI in my case over here. So I'll type VI, then the name Betty, then hit enter. Now when you do that, when the VI open the file Betty, it will be in command mode. So in this mode, you can't insert anything into the file. So for you to move from the command mode to the insertion mode, you click I on your keyboard. Now you can see that we have now moved from the command mode into the insert mode. So the next step that we are going to do, we are going to copy the script over here, paste it into your file. Now when you are done, for we to be able to save this particular file, we have to now go back into the command mode. To exit from the insert mode to the command mode, click on escape on your keyboard. Now to save this file and go back to the previous page that we were, you click on shift and colon, then you type the word W letter. Now this W is the command for saving a file in Vim. Now for us to go back to where we were before we open this particular file, you click on Q, then you hit enter. Once saved, we are now supposed to exit the file and change permission. So now we have exited the file and we are back in our folder. Now for us to change permission to apply to all users, we are going to use the code or the command chmod ax, then the name of the file. So over here, this chmod is meaning change mode. So let us copy the command over here, come back to our terminal and paste. and hit enter. Then the final thing that we are going to do is we are going to move the Betty file into the bin directory. So to do that, we are going to use this command that we have over here, which is sudo move Betty, then the name of the directory, which is the bin over there. So copy this command, come back to your terminal, paste it and hit enter. Then we are done with the installation of Betty. Now to test or to check whether Betty is running successfully, let's now test it on a file. So for us to be able to run Betty linter on a file, you use the name Betty followed by the name of the file. So let's list the files in this particular folder. So when we use the ls keyword, you can see that we have various files over here. Now for us to run Betty on any of them, we type the name Betty followed by the name of the file. So let's say Betty, then main. So over here, after running Betty successfully, if there is any error, Betty will tell you. But over here, you can see that we have total error 0. Now please, if you are stuck anywhere along the line, just give me an email, then